Hi, my name's Tommy and I work at Velocity Tuning. This is a short video on how to use launch control on the F90 M5. Firstly, you need to warm the car up. Don't try to do it from stone cold because you're going to cause a lot of damage. Make sure that the oil temperature is showing to be roughly 120 and that the RPM gauge is warmed up all the way around. Once you've done that, you then need to go into your settings. You could just set them up manually, or how I've done it is I've put it all onto my M2 button. But on the actual settings, first thing is you're going to want to make sure that auto hold is turned off. That means that light's not showing and there's nothing showing on the dash as well. Then you are going to go into the rest of the settings and you want to make sure that traction control is fully off, so that's DSC off. You want to make sure that you're on one of the X drive modes, so that could be 4-wheel drive sport or just normal 4-wheel drive. And then finally you're going to want to make sure that the transmission is in S3. S3 is the fastest, most aggressive manual mode. Now, despite it being a manual mode, when you launch control, it will automatically shift through the gears. So that is how we're setting it up. When it comes to the engine, the chassis, the steering and the heads-up display, you can have those in which you prefer. My one, I have the engine in Sport Plus, the chassis in Sport and the steering in Sport. Then you're actually ready to do a launch control. So to do launch control, you fully depress the brake, you fully depress the throttle, you're going to see a flag light up on the dash. As soon as you take your foot off of the brake, you're now engaging the launch control. So it's going to shift very fast through the gears, faster than normal actually, as it has a special shift mode for launch control. From what I see online, you can roughly do 100 shifts before it's automatically deactivated. Hopefully at some point someone finds a workaround for that. And then once you've done a launch control, you can't do it straight away after. You need to drive the car for a certain amount of time to let the transmission cool back down, otherwise you could damage the gearbox. But there is a short video on how to use launch control in the F90 M5.